Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Fitness at Home with Han
and Shukriya.
Today, we are going to show you how to do a toilet paper Tabata workout from the comfort of your own home. All you need is 4 rolls of toilet paper, a Tabata timer on your phone, and just 4 minutes of your precious time. So wow.
Manta mahasamin na exercise o mahasamal na manta?
4 rolls of toilet paper. Mission anahukamo, let's go!
Go! 3
Alright guys, we're going to keep our legs straight. Move that toilet paper. Right to left. Left to right.
Beat the time, yes! Ah!
We're going to keep our core nice and tight. We want to imagine that there's a bucket of water on our back, and we want to keep the floor nice and dry. Well done, people. Now you can use your toilet paper or use your water because you know what's good for you.
Toilet paper pot.
Good work, people. Keep pushing. Do something every day. Just 4 minutes out of your day, and let's stay consistent.
Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, bye. Here we go. Should we do it again? Let's go! We're gonna go again.